In this video, we are going to learn about the CMP command. CMP command in Linux is used to compare two files byte by byte and helps you to find out whether the two files are identical or not. It needs two file names as arguments. It reports the location of the first mismatch to the screen if difference is found, and if no difference is found, then the file compared are identical and it just displays the prompt. Let us see with an example. I have two files ABC and XYZ, and these are the contents. Let me compare the two files by typing CMP space ABC space XYZ. As you can see, it gives us the result which says that the first mismatch is found at byte 10 in first line.